In this video, I will be showing you 3 ways how you can take a screenshot in Windows 10. So let's get started. The first way is by using the inbuilt snipping tool. So just go to search and type for snipping. We'll be having this snipping tool, and make sure that you are pinning it to taskbar, and it will be appearing over here. Let's suppose say you want to take a screenshot. You can simply open this and go to new and just take a screenshot of the portion that you want to. You can simply drag your mouse like this, and after that you can simply click on file and save it. Choose the location for saving it. And apart from this, it also has a delay feature. Let's suppose say you want to take a screenshot after 5 seconds, you can use this feature also. If you go to mode, we are having different forms of snipping. The one that I showed you is rectangular one. We are having window snip and full screen snip. So if you go to full screen snip, it will literally take a screenshot of the entire screen. So based upon your use case, you can customize it. The second way is going to be with the help of a shortcut key. So it's going to be Shift plus Windows key plus yes. So if you press all these, you'll be getting an interface like this, and you can simply like take a screenshot and we'll be getting a preview. You can simply like save it. Okay, so this is another way of doing that. And apart from that, we are having this freeform snip and window snip and full screen snip also. So you can also make these features, the similar one that we saw in the snipping tool. And the final one is going to be a shortcut to get the entire screen, which is Windows key and print screen. In some systems, you need to press the function key, Windows key, as well as the print screen button. The print screen button will be present on the right side of the keyboard. So if you press all these together, we'll be getting a screenshot of the entire screen, and it will be present inside pictures, screenshots. And here you can see this is the screenshot that we took right now. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.